What is up, guys? Today we got another unboxing, which is 2 sets of BRTs. So, yeah, let's get into it. Yeah. And this time I ordered from the Volt Pro scooters. They sell Blackriver Rams. They sell BRTs. They sell a lot of different things. And alright, so we got 2 sets of BRTs in size 34 mil. This one came out of the package. Like, we got that one came out of the little thing. But we got, bam! 2 sets of 34 BRTs. The best trucks in the game. Let's open the Super Savers. Like, I've been wondering this whole time if these BRTs come with the BRT tool or the black, like, tech deck tool. And moment of truth. Yeah! Yes! It came with the Blackriver tool. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Because they did stop selling them with this BRT tool. So yes, I get now. Let's see if this one. Let's see. Bam, dude! I get two Blackriver tools. That's crazy. These things are like $15 just for the tool. That's crazy, dude. That's wild. I'm like super hyped right now. But I got 2 sets of BRTs because if you know me, I got these 2 beast pants. We're gonna do the setup of these 2, and yeah, we'll get that into it. But let's do like a little close-up of these gorgeous things, man. I have a set of these already. They're like right here. This is my everyday setup right here. You see it in edits and clips and stuff like that. But yeah, got another set. And then we got the black set, which is right here. And I already have a set of these too. But these are like the worn out ones. And these are a new set. And we're going to change out the tuning and everything. And yeah. And then I do got the gold set too. So we got all 3 sets, all colors, BRTs, not used. These ones are fresh. I got 2 other fresh ones. Yeah. But now I'm going to set them up, and I'll be back with 2 fresh setups. And we're back, and we have the 2 complete setups right here. We have the Org Boy with that like holographic stash, the Hidden Lizard Labs, the green level ups, betas, and black velvet. And that's this one. And then we have the Demon Boy with the Bloodsucker Labs, level up tuning as well. Oh yeah, they have also dislocation pivots. I have the greens in here with the green, the red with the red. They came out really nice. But yeah, man, go get yourself a Beast Pants board. Go try them out. Probably they are my my favorite board company out right now. The Ferro mold, which is the medium mold. And then I do like Rabid, but I really prefer the Ferro mold. So yeah, go follow Beast Pants on Instagram. Go follow Lab Wheels, Blackriver. Yeah, and go cop you a pretty sick setup. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.